There are many ways that you can promote your business online creatively. Perhaps you are wondering why it's better to be creative about how you promote your small business. Let me give you just a few of the reasons why you should do this. Number 1, you are more likely to spend more time and effort on your business, because it is always more fun to be creative rather than spending your precious time copying and pasting ideas from your competitors. Number 2, it's always useful to inject your worldview and personality into your business so that you can attract like-minded people to reach out to you. Number 3, when you have completed a piece of original content, that satisfied feeling that it gives you will encourage you to continue to create even more. Best ways to create your business. It's much easier and cheaper to promote your business online than it is to advertise in magazines or newspapers or produce flyers. It is also much more effective and faster to scale up your business online versus offline. A few ideas to promote a business. You can literally start a business from scratch just by using what you already have in your possession, i.e., the information you have been storing in your mind that can help others start and promote their businesses. You can turn it into an ebook or a course or even a membership site that has your stamp and your logo on it. The more content, including blogs and videos, that you create, the easier it becomes for you and your creative juices to provide the momentum you need to be successful. How I promote my small business. I am always on the lookout for tools and trainings and softwares that can take my business to the next level. I love automation, and just recently I found this new video creation software that blows my mind. I can hardly believe how simple and quick it is to create videos like this one. It includes a brand new game-changing feature which allows you to record directly from your webcam and create presenter-style videos in under 10 minutes. To celebrate the new webcam recording feature, they are slashing 40% off this awesome software and giving away a video marketing bonus pack for free, but only until midnight the 26th of February PST. Copy and paste the link below to grab it now. https://hilarybasic.com/dis